suma ataaya mooy kororoli noonu kurr. That's my attire, guys. Ignore it. But yeah, we're here for another lesson. Thank you for anyone that is liking and sharing. So today we're gonna do another Wolof lesson, guys. If you're watching this from YouTube or you're watching this from TikTok, thank you. Nice to meet you. My name is Ami Job and I am from the Gambia, but I live in Scotland. And my parents are one Gambian, one Senegalese. Due to my dad moved from Senegal to Gambia years ago and end up having us, after being married to my mom, who is Gambian. But I was born and raised in Gambia. I only left in Senegal 2 years of my life. And I've been living in Senegal. I've been living in Scotland for over a decade and a half now. Yeah, I came here 17 years ago when I was 25. And today we're going to do Wolof lesson. So guys, if you want to learn Wolof or Mandinka, I am your teacher. I am fun, funny, genuine, and bubbly, calm, and patient with my students. Having said that, you might see me talking really fast in my videos right now. Bear with me. It's different from when I'm doing one-to-one lesson or just personal lesson in general. How do I sorry, I am new on TikTok. You just keep doing like this. That's how you like the video. Thank you so much for anyone that is liking and sharing the video. So this video right now, today, we're going to talk about discussion. Okay, guys? So this word here, dama buga new waxtaan. Okay, new as a new, like a new something, just N-E-W, like you want to spell a new hair or a new something, yeah, something new, something brand new, something new. The word new is us. New mean us in Wolof, yeah. The word new. Dama, I want. Buga, dama, buga. Dama, I. Buga, want. New, us. Waxtaan. Oh my God. I mean, I'm not seeing all of them. Oh yeah, it's fine. Thank God. Dama buga ñu waxtaan. I want us to talk. Yes, in English, I want us to talk. Yes. Can you guys read it perfectly? Because TikTok have these things coming and they cover in the word. That's why I nearly faint. I mean, not faint, but I thought I didn't have all of the words here. And that's mean I had to go to my, IG and write them and screenshot them and come back, which I was not going to do, but thank God. So, dama buga ñu waxtaan. Keep tapping and sharing and I'll tell you what that means. So guys, I speak two different Wolof. I speak Gambian local Wolof, which is my original local Wolof. And for example, that one is ma bugu ñu waxtaan. Not dama buga ñu waxtaan. Ma bugu ñu waxtaan. Just ma and then bugu and then waxtaan. Yeah? But this Gambian Wolof, Gambian fancy Wolof, which a lot of Gambians speak, especially the ones in Banjul and surrounded areas, is dama buga ñu waxtaan. Dama buga ñu waxtaan. Dama buga ñu waxtaan. So wax is talk. Tan, I don't know what the tan means. Well, I don't know. Tan, the tan is like, I don't know. Don't worry about the tan. But wax is talk. Okay? So, dama buga ñu waxtaan. Okay? Dama buga ñu waxtaan. I'll try and say it slowly. Okay, guys. So, dama, I want. Buga, no, dama, I. Buga, want. Ñu, like the word new. Wax, W-H. W-A-H, sorry. Wax. The word W. The word A-H. Dama buga ñu, just like the word new. Waxtaan. Dama buga ñu waxtaan. The waxtaan is W-A-H. Wax. Wax, the word wax is talk. Talk is wax. Like wow. But not wow. Because you're going to change the W, the last W, to H. So it's going to be W-A-H. Wax. Wax is talk. Da, da, ma, ma, me. Buga, buga, I want. Dama, buga, I want. New, the word new, new. Wax, talk. New is us. New. Dama, me. Buga, I want. New, us. Wax, talk. Waxtaan, talk. Wax is talk, but waxtaan is for us to talk, if you know what I mean. So you use the taan if you want to do like, I want us to talk. Waxtaan. Or you and the person did waxtaan. You and the person did the talk. Or you and the person to do the waxtaan. When it's discussion, you use the taan at the end of the wax. But the wax alone, which is the talk alone, is just the W-A-H. So, dama, I want. Da, D-A, ma, I. Dama, I. Dama is I. Dama sonu, I am tired. Dama rafet, I am beautiful. Dama ñaaw, I am ugly. Nya a aw. Nya a aw. Ñaaw. Ñaaw is ugly. Beautiful is rafet. 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 Dama rafet. Da nga rafet. You are rafet. Da ngeen rafet. You guys are rafet. Da ngeen. Ngeen. Da ngeen rafet. Da nga. You are rafet. Da ma. Me are. I am rafet. Da ma rafet. Thank you so much, Gambian baby doll. Thank you. Senegambian doll. Thank you for the donation and like and share and everything. Thank you so much, guys. Keep liking and sharing the video. It's for people to learn Wolof. Hello, Ame and everyone. Blessings. Thank you, darling. So this message is to teach people Wolof, Gambian Wolof. And if anybody want to learn or have their children or friends or anybody that they thought of that might be interested, I teach Gambian Wolof and Gambian Mandinka. Okay, £25 a month, once a week. You can have one-on-one lesson, or you can come as a group. Like I can join you with other people that are learning if the time schedule is favoring both of us. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and share. So let's continue and make it clear for the Dama Bugu Ñu Waxtaan. Dama Bugu Ñu Waxtaan. You can say this to a Senegalese person, to a Gambian person. They will understand what you mean clearly. This means I want us to talk. I want us to have a discussion. I want us to talk. It could be positive, it could be negative, but you just want them to talk. You just want to talk to them, yeah? You just want to talk to the person. I want us to talk. Dama Bugu Ñu Waxtaan. Yeah, it could be the person is one person or group of people, doesn't matter. But you are asking them for talk. Yeah, for you to have a discussion with them. Dama buga ñu waxtaan. Thank you so much for joining. Keep liking and sharing the video and let's go. So dama, the word da-ma, D-A-M-A, I want. No, I. Dama is I. Dama, very easy word, just D-A-M-A, dama. I, dama, I. Dama, I. And then, buga, B-U-G-A, I want. Dama buga, I want. Dama buga, I want. New, us. Okay, new. N-E-W. You know, the word W. N-E-W, like a new something, something new, yeah? New, us. Wah, talk. W-H, W-A-H. The word W-A-H. Like you want to spell wow, but you don't do W-A-W. This one you do W-A-H. Wah, wah. You can spell it anyhow, just as long as you're saying wah, yeah? Wah. Tan. You add the tan. T-A-N, like the tan, you know, the color tan. Dama buga ñu waxtaan. Dama buga ñu waxtaan. I want us to talk. Again, I'll say slowly. Thank you so much. Keep tapping and sharing. This is a Wolof lesson, free Wolof lesson. If you want a lesson, you can book with me. And if you come in group, more than one person, you have more discount. Individual is £25 a month, once a week. And we're going to schedule what time favors us. Okay, guys, you can have one-on-one lesson or group lesson. It's up to you. I can schedule with other people that are learning if the time schedule gonna favor all of us. Thank you. Keep typing and sharing, keep liking and sharing the video. Tapote leen video bi te seddoo ko may jàngale xolof waaye yéen ñi bugg a jàng xàngale mën ngeen see jàngale yéen xolof yi bugg a jàng xàngale mën ngeen see jàngale kon nag tapote leen te seddoo soo soxlawut a jàng xàngale keneen mën naa bugg a jàng xàngale ya keneen. Okay, what was I saying? So yeah, I'm just saying my people, they can tap and share because they can also learn English. Like some Senegalese people want to learn English and this is their chance to learn English too. But it's going to be difficult for them if they barely understand any word from English because I'm not focusing on the Wolof people now, if you know what I mean. I'm focusing on the English person or English speaking person that is learning Wolof. So then there's a slight difference, yeah. But yeah, let's go. Dama bugu ñu waxtaan. I want us to talk. Dama bugu ñu waxtaan. Or you can say dama buga. My local Wolof is ma bugu. Ma bugu. Yeah. But you can also say dama bugu. Yeah. But you can also say dama buga. Dama buga is what I have here, which is the fancy Gambian Wolof. Dama buga ñu waxtaan. I want us to talk. And then the person might say, waaw baax na. Or the person might say, lu xew. Lu xew is what happened. Or the person might say, lu ñooy waxana. Lu ñooy waxana. What are we gonna talk about? Because the person might feel fearful or worried or just, like, ooh, I hope I'm not in trouble. Or just be like, what happened? So the person might tell me. The person might tell you, what is it? Or I hope everything is okay. Or they might be like, okay, that's fine, no problem. But I'm going to give you all those different answers so you know what to expect and you know what to answer them. Thank you so much. Keep liking and sharing the video. Even if you're not interested on learning, other people might be interested. And if you like and share the video, they might see the video. Thank you so much. Yes, what was I saying? So when you tell the person, dama buga ñu waxtaan. 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 So then dama buga ñu waxtaan. I want us to talk. And the person might say, lu xew. Lu xew. What happened? What is it? That's how we normally talk in Wolof. Lu xew. O mbaa jàmm. Mbaa jàmm la. Mbaa jàmm la. Don't worry, I'll spell them for you. Just keep tapping and sharing. Thank you so much for joining. Keep tapping and sharing. This is free Wolof lesson. You might also want to book with me if you're interested in learning or you have children that might be interested in learning or anyone for that matter. I also do English. Mandinka lessons, sorry. I do Mandinka lessons here too. And I do English lessons too for people that are from Senegal or Gambia. Which are the people that can understand Wolof or Mandinka, but they can't understand English. I teach them in a way like I'm not an English teacher. I just teach them my little English that you can hear me speaking. But I use a technique that they can understand faster because they can already understand my language. So it's easy to switch the words like I'm doing now, like to make them understand this mean this mean that, if you know what I mean. Like, because sometimes when they want to learn English or French or whatever language and they can't speak the person that is teaching them their original language, it's extremely 100 times harder. It's like you're talking to a wall. For example, you might be telling them a mango and they're like, what is this? Unless you have to have the picture of the mango. How will they know you're talking about mango? But if it's me, I'll tell them mango is mango. Mango is mango in Wolof. Mango, not mango. But they'll still know what you're saying because it's mango. Orange is saras or orange. Orange, Gambian Wolof. Sorry, Senegalese Wolof. Gambia Wolof. Sorans. My Wolof. Saras. Saras. I speak the local Wolof. Saras. But Gambian Wolof, Sorans. Senegal Wolof, orange. English, orange. Yeah, you see what I mean? Like, anyway, let's back to the lesson now. Okay. Dama bëgg ñu waxtaan. I want us to talk, and the person might say, Mba jamla. Mba. Mba jamla. MBA. All of have a lot of mba and stuff like this. And mba, you say. And gu and stuff like that. So, the person might say, Mba jamla. MBA. Ja. GA. M. Jam. La. LA. Mba jamu la. So you're gonna sound it, you're gonna spell it like this, like it sounds. I'm gonna sound it very slowly and clearly. Mba. 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 Mba is I hope. Mba. Jamu. Jamu. JAMO. Jamu. Or Jama. Jamu is Senegal Wolof / my local Wolof. Gambian fancy Wolof is Jama. Ma. Gambian fancy Wolof have a lot of ma. So, you know how to spell ma, do you? Just M-A. Mba. MBA. Ja. JA. Ma. La. LA. Mba jama la. Mba jama la. Mba jama la. Mba jama la. I hope it's peace. I hope it's all well. What happened? I hope it's all well. But they might say, Lu hell, mba jama la. Lu hell. Lu. L-U. Lu. Lu is what? Lu hell is... I don't know how to say the lu now, because the lu, for it to be what happened, it have to be added with the hell. The lu alone. I can't remember the lu alone. The lu alone right now, but don't worry about the lu right now for this particular lesson. Just focus on the fact that you have to add the lu and the hell to be able to achieve the word what happened. What happened is the lu and the hell. 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 H-E-W. H-E-E-W. Hell. 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 H-E-E-W. Lu. H-E-E-W. L-U. H-E-E-W. Lu hell. Doesn't matter how you spell it. As long as you are saying it, is what's matter. Say lu and then say hell. 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 Hell also is mean program, party. Party is mean hell. When someone have a baby in Gambia and Senegal tradition, people will normally make a party after 1 week or after that. Sometimes they schedule it to whatever time favors them. But they normally do it after 1 week of the baby's born, which is called the name on ceremony, or when someone getting married or so on. The hell, the program, the event is called hell. Hell. The word hell, just in case you hear it and you don't think about lu hell, like what happened. So you know that it can also mean hell, depending on the discussion. Keep liking and sharing the video, guys. Thank you so much. I still need more likes and share. If you're not interested in learning, other people might be. And you might want to share it and like it for them to be able to learn Wolof and Mandinka. Thank you so much. I do free Wolof and lesson. Oh my God, I'm trying to talk so fast. I do free Wolof lesson here, free Mandinka lesson as well. But you can book me for personal lesson, £25 a month, once a week. Yeah, guys, once a week. You can tell me what time and what days favor you, and I'll check if that day and time favors me. Or if not, we can schedule another day and time that favor both of us for you to be having your lesson on those days and time. So let's go. Yes. So you tell the person, dama buga ñu waxtaan. I want us to talk. And the person might tell you, lu xew? What happened? Mba jaama la. I hope everything is fine. Or they might tell you, okay, bana. Or they might tell you, wow, bana. Or they might tell you, wow. Wow is yes. Or they might tell you, We say normally, and we say wow. 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 Everything means yes. Yeah. So the person might say, wow, bana. Okay, good, no problem. Or they might use even some English or some French, depending where the Wolof person is from. Some of our Wolof have little French, if it's from Senegal, and if the person is from Gambia, some of the Wolof have little English. So they might say, okay, that's fine, no problem. Or, wabana, okay. Or they might say, oh my God, look how, what happened? Bajamala. Sometimes they might even say what happened, like just the proper English word of what happened. Depending who you're talking to, if they're very educated English-wise, and if they used to mix in English with their local language. Yeah, but I can do that depending who I'm talking to and what mood I am. But I hardly do that. I like to speak the whole local Wolof for the most part, especially in my videos. I'm known for speaking and promoting traditional, local, insane, very old person, village person type of a Wolof, especially on my Wolof page. But yeah, so the person might say all of this like, wow, bana, okay, bana, wow, no problem. Or they might say, look how, what happened? Or they might say, mba jamala. Or they might say, luma def. Luma def is what have I done? Luma, what have? Luma, what have? Luma def, what have I done? They can say that to you, for example, if you're their parents or you're their boss at work, and they might think that they did something wrong. Luma def. Thank you so much. Keep tapping, keep liking and sharing the video. It's free Wolof lesson for Gambian Wolof. Somebody that is interested in learning my land for free. I do Wolof and Mandinka lessons for free here, but I also do personal lessons that you might want to book me if you are interested. Thank you. Yes. Luma def. What have I done? Luma def. Just Lu. L-U. Ma. M-A. Def. Wolof normally use def a lot. Def is do. D-E-F. Def. D-E-F. Def. Like the deaf ear, you can spell it like that if you want. Luma def. Wabana. Oh, okay. What have I done though? Luma def, or they might just say, look how Luma def. What happened? What have I done? And you're like, calm down, you're fine. Then you can say like, dudara. Dudara. Or if you want to use some English, if the person is Gambian, you might say, don't worry, dudara. Or you might say, oh, dudara. It's nothing. That means it's nothing serious. Okay? When you're saying, oh, it's nothing, you have to add something to it if you want, or just leave it like that. That just means that it's nothing serious, so they don't have to worry too much. Okay? Du dara. Dama buga ñu wax rek. You might add that. That rek mean only. Rek. R-E-K. Rek. Rek. Only. Thank you so much. Keep tapping and sharing. I'm not seeing you guys sending likes. You have to tap share and share the video and tap and share with as many friends as you can. People might want to learn Wolof or Mandinka or just want to hear of other languages even if they don't book lesson. Thank you. Thank you, Sister Isaac. Thank you. Jërëjëf. So, yes. Du dara. Or you can say, bul jahle. Bul jahle is don't worry. Bul jahle. Bul. B-O-L. Or you can do B-U, but B-O-L is better. B-O-L, bull. B-O-L-L, bull. Like Red Bull, the drink. Just bull. Bull is done. Bull definitely, don't do this. Bull jahle. Bull wax. Don't talk. Bull. Okay? The word bull. Thank you so much. Keep tapping and sharing the live. Thank you so much. This is free Wolof lesson, Gambian Wolof lesson, and my name is Ami Jobe, but I'm talking to you from Scotland. I know, very weird. But okay, let's keep going. Bul jahle. Don't worry. Jahle is worry. Worry. I'm worried. Dama jahle. Man jahle na. I'm worried. Jahle. jaaxle. J-A-H, jaax. J-A-H. Hello, sis. Thank you so much. Keep tapping and sharing the video for people to come and learn Wolof. I'm going to do more Wolof and Mandinka lesson. Next lesson will be Mandinka. Thank you so much. So, jaax, you can spell it anyhow. Jaax. 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 Ha. Jaax. Jaax. I'm saying jaax. No. Jaax. Jaax. J-A-H-A. You can spell it like that if you want. Or J-A-H. Jaax. Just the word jaax. So when you want to practice Wolof, you might want to practice you on your own. Just keep saying ha, ha. I swear, keep saying that on your own for no reason. Just like how you want to learn English, sometimes you have to practice certain, things on your own. I was learning that in college the other day because I'm back to English again in college 2 days a week. Like I'm going on Tuesday and Thursday. We were on holiday for 2 weeks. So what you're gonna do is you have to know that Wolof have a lot of def, this word that your mouth is never used to. So you might want to listen to Wolof people, but just practice saying whatever. I don't know. Just if you want me to make a small sound video for that and post it here, let me know. It's gonna be ridiculous funny, but it's gonna help you a lot because your mouth never used to those words for the most part. And then it's going to be 100 times harder for you to learn Wolof if your mouth is never used to that. Thank you so much. Keep tapping and sharing, guys. Jërëjëf jëf tapote leen may jàngale Wolof. Ok, so Wolof ak Hangale maa bëgg ñu waxtaan yéen sénégalais yi da ngeen mën a jàngale fii Wolof ya waaye su ngeen tapote wu séddoowu leen yéen sénégalais yi bëgg a jàng Wolof su may def lesson bi du ma nekk di leen ko consider. Because right now maa waroon a bind lu bëri lu mel nii waaye bii rek laa xam maa waroon a defar ay fukk wala juróom ci yii léegi su ma waxee bi ba pare wax naa bi ba pare maa ngi continuer waaye léegi lu may continuer maa ngi nekk di ko jàngale di ko wax gars yi di ko bind waaye léegi yow su fekkoon ma leen di baqeel yéen may continuer di ko def suma gannaaw nii su ko defee yéen ngeen xam ne Ami li mu wax nii mooy lii yéen ngeen bind ko yéen sénégalais yi waaye yéen sénégalais yi nga xam ne du ngeen tapoter du ngeen séddoo nag moo tax du ma leen faale yéen a koy yëg ku bëgg a jàng Hangale na ñëw si man fay 20 pounds ak juróom ci weer bi semaine bu ne mu jàng benn yoon ok because du ngeen dimbale sama liggéey bi ak yéen Sénégal Gambien yi mel ni man jàngu leen jongu leen du ngeen mën a bind seen tuuti Hangale ok nañ continuer tapoter leen thank you so much sorry about that guys back to the topic so you tell the person dama bëgg a ñu waxtaan I want us to talk and the person tell you waaw baax na ok yes waaw is yes baax na is good all is good no problem wow yes W-A-W you know the word wow oh my god wow is yes in Wolof wow baax na baax is good B-A-H or B-A-R-H baax anyhow you spell it as long as you're saying baax thank you so much jërëjëf Jeff let me bring this down it's too bright the word baax yeah is good baax 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 good baaxut not good or baaxul Senegal we say baaxul Gambian we say baaxut it means the same not good baax na is good for both Senegal and Gambia baax na baaxut not good baax na good okay so the person might tell you waaw baax na okay yes no problem or they might say lu xew lu ma def is what have I done for example if I was married now and my husband tell me we have to talk I will be like lu ma def like thinking that especially if I love him thinking that something happened or something which I shouldn't feel like that but, okay why am I talking about that depending what happened I'm trying to make an example for you know what I mean like depending on the situation your own child your boss at work or your parent might tell you I want us to talk and your reaction might be what happened what have I done lu xew lu ma def mbaa du dara or you can say mbaa defuma dara I hope I've not done anything mbaa defuma Defu. Defu. Defu is haven't done. Haven't done is defu. Mba, M-B-A, mba, mba, defu, ma, B-A, dara, D-A-R-A. Mba defu ma dara. Mba defu ma dara. I hope I haven't done anything. I hope I haven't done anything. I hope I am not in trouble. And the person might tell you, ooh, you finished your budget. Subhanallah, I hope no. The person might tell you, if they're angry, you know, or you did something, they might tell you, wow, dinañ wax rek. We will just talk. Don't worry, we will just talk. You know, or you will know, you know, dinañ wax rek. Or wow, def nga dara kay. Wow, def nga dara kay. You did something. Or they might say, xamuloo loo def. A lot of people are like this. Sometimes when they're angry, they just like, they don't come direct. Sometimes when they're angry, they're like, with the word, you know, before they will be like, so they might be like, xamuloo loo def. Yo xamoo loo def. If they're Senegalese or Gambian, xamuloo loo def. Xamuloo lu xew. Like, so you don't know what happened. So you don't know what you did. So you're telling me you don't know. Because sometimes our people, when they know exactly what you're talking about, they can make you feel like they don't know what you're talking about at all. Depending on the person and the situation. They might be like, oh, what happened? What have I done? And they know everything that they did. It's extremely annoying. So then the person might not know if you know what you're talking about or you don't know. I mean, if you know what they're talking about or you don't know what they're talking about. They might think you know. You know what I mean? So the answers might be like, you think you don't know. Or like, waa baax na xamuloo, or they like waa baax na, or they like xamuloo lu xew, xamoo loo def. If you tell them, I hope I've not done anything, xamoo loo def. So you don't know what you did. Okay, you know. Anyway, we're gonna talk. Bye. You know, and then, or they might be like, xawma, I don't know, you know, depending how they're feeling. They might be like, I don't know, I'm not gonna talk now, just we talk after, or whatever. Or they might be like, yaa gën a xam li nga def, you know what you did, or yaa gën a xam lu xew, you know what happened, you know exactly what happened. With depending how angry they are, you know, and what happened. You see what I mean? Depending how they rage, upset because something happened that you did, or they find out you did something or something was going on, you know, or something. You know what I mean? Thank you so much. Keep tapping and sharing. So depending how they're feeling, you know. But if it's nothing serious, they might be like, oh, do dara, it's nothing bad. Don't worry, do dara, bul jahle, do dara, bul jahle, don't feel worry. Jahle is worry. Jahle, worry. Yeah? Bul jahle. Okay. Or they might be like, dinga xam, you will know. Dinga xam, you will know. Or they might be like, no, garawul. This is again Gambian and Wolof. Both Gambian and Senegal both can use this no garawul. No garawul. Or no garawul. No garawul. Garawul. Garawul is not a problem when it's Senegalese person. Gambian person might say garawut. No garawut. Or no do dara. Or no serious. Serious is not serious. Thank you so much. Keep tapping and sharing the video. I'm seeing you guys joining the live, but I'm not seeing a lot of people liking and sharing. Only one single person sharing. That's why the video is not going anywhere, and I need more people to learn the language. If you're not interested, a lot of other people are interested. You might be surprised. If you're from Gambia, you might think this is bullshit, or you're from Senegal, you might be like, depending who you are. Depending if you love your language and yourself and are proud of yourself. But some people might just think, But other people might be very interested in learning this. You might be surprised because you're too used to the language. You think it's not important and you're not used to going to school to learn the language. You think the language is bullshit, but the language is actually like every other language, as important for you to learn my English. The way it's important for you to learn English or French or whatever, that's how it's important for other people to learn this language. I'm telling you, I'm booking people now all the time since I start taking it seriously again here, okay? People that are from abroad here want to learn. Some are married to Gambian or Senegalese. Or just someone their children to learn or something. Thank you so much. Okay, back to the topic again. So, you tell the person, dama buga ñu waxtaan. I want us to talk. Dama buga ñu waxtaan. Or the person tell you, dama buga ñu waxtaan. Okay. Or they might say, nañ wax. That's the quick way. Nañ wax. Let's talk. Nañ wax. Or ñu wax. Ñu wax. Let's talk. Ñu is us. Nañ wax is we do the talk. Something like this, yeah? Like we do the talk or let's do the talk. But ñu wax, let us talk. So it's the quicker way of dama buga ñu waxtaan. I want us to talk. This is the proper way, but it's longer. Yeah, just in case you hear any of these other words. Ñu wax, let's talk. When it's Gambian, ñu wax, let's talk. When it's Senegalese, Senegalese person might say nañ wax or nañu wax, or my Senegalese Wolof are so bad. Senegalese person watching me now be like, what the hell? How will Senegal person say this? Ñu wax. Nañ wax. No, don't worry about the Senegal people right now. Let's focus. My daughters are enjoying your life. Thank you. They are now following you. Awesome. What age are they? Oh, I have to behave myself in my videos. I might change this whole page and delete certain videos and keep it for Wolof and English lesson. And I'm gonna open another page for my community. I'm not leaving them there, but I might change this whole page for the Wolof and Senegal lesson. Or I might open a fresh page for that. What do you guys think? So it's gonna be fresh page, and I'm gonna call it Gambia Wolof and Mandinka lesson. And I'm just gonna keep it fresh. I was thinking about that. What do you think? Because I love giving this lesson. They're 11 and 12. Bless them. Oh my God, where are you guys watching from? Hello. Thank you, girls. Don't worry. You're gonna tell your mama to book you guys lesson. If it's children and there are 2 children or more, I give you discount. You don't have to pay the whole £25 a month. And I love children, and I love teaching young people so much. Birmingham, that's awesome. Sending you guys love, girls. Keep going. The sky is the limit. Very soon, before you know it, you'll be 17 and 18 and more, going to university or whatever. My daughter is 17. She's going to university this year. She wants to study medical science. Good luck to all of you. Okay, let's keep going. So, the person, you tell them, dama buga ñu wax. I want us to talk. And the person might tell you, what happened? Lu xew? Or they might tell you, yes, jërëjëf. Jërëjëf is thank you. Somebody wrote jërëjëf here. Jërëjëf is thank you. Just G-A, or G, they put not G. They put J-A, but it's J-E. J-E-R-E. J-re. The Jeff is again J-E-F or J-E-F-F. J-re-Jeff. J-re-Jeff. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you. Okay, let's keep going. So the person might tell you, what happened? I want us to talk. If you say to your daughter, I want us to talk, your daughter might be like, lu xew yaa, lu xew mom, lu xew yaa, lu xew, lu xew. L-U-H-E-E double or H-E-E. Yeah, that's the only way you can spell it. H-E-E-W. I'm very bad at spelling this Wolof, some of them. I'm going to tell you very clearly. But I'm very good at making so that I sound it so you can write it your own way, or just as long as you can see it. I'm focusing on mastering the pronunciation and the practice of the vocal, what's the English word? To make so that your tongue that is not used to speaking it is going to speak it. That's the, how do you speak it, please? Lu xew. It's not lu xew like that. Because you have to put W at the end for it to sound xew, not just lu xe. Right now you do L, you wrote here, this person comments lu xe because they put Luhee, lu xe, not lu xe. You have to have the wu at the end. Lu xew. Lu xew. So you should put W at the end. Lu xew. Lu xew. Or lan la, what happened? Lan la, not lu xel. You're doing lu xel again. Lu xew, lan la is what happened. But it's not very polite for your mom unless you're saying it very quietly like this. What happened, mom? What have I done, mom? I hope I've not done anything wrong. I love you. What happened? Like, I don't say all of that, depending how the relationship is and what happened, by the way. Depending on how the person's reaction and the person's face. If you see that they look unhappy because they discover something or they feel like you did something and they're worried and afraid about you and your future, don't be like, look, I love you. They might think you're bullying them, joke aside. But just be like, look how, yeah. And with a serious but normal face. Not rude, moody face. Not like, look how, Landa. No, just like normal face, like, look how, yeah. What happened, mom? That alone might bring the person down, instead of them facing you and be like, why you did this? So then I hope they're not gonna do that like my mom used to do growing up. But hopefully they'll just be like, oh, like, why are you doing that? Like, when my daughter do something that sister don't do, how I will be like, Fatu, I'm fed ass. I can't believe you did this. For example, So don't be like, look how. No, just be like, look how. With a nice, calm body language and face, And they might feel calm. That alone is going to make them calm. Especially if the person is your parent. Most of the time, the parents, when you're doing wrong, or when you did wrong, or when they think you're doing wrong, they feel afraid and worried for you because they love you. They don't want you to mess up your life. So, understand that's why they're reacting. Especially African parents. Don't take our reaction and our, and go, and we all like, no. Just please calm down and understand that we love you and a lot of us are worried, especially the way life is now. Okay? And we know life is not a joke. And we know you can mess it up now or you can fix, try to maintain it now, So it's easier to just, when you're an adult. But if you mess it up now, you can still fix it after, but it's going to be 100 times harder, yeah? So you don't have to do all of that hard work when you can just try to juggle it now. What's the English word? Yes, 5500. What is this person saying? This might be some of the men that like to come here to bother me. Okay, let's continue in the lesson, guys. Okay, keep tapping and sharing. Thank you. So, you tell the person, this is going to be 1 hour, so I'm going to finish soon. So you tell the person, dama bëgg ñu waxtaan. I want us to talk. And the person tell you, wow, baax na, okay, yes, no problem. Or the person might tell you, lu xew, what happened? Or the person might tell you, lu ma def, what have I done? Lu ma def. Or the person might tell you, mba jama la. I hope it's peace only. That means I hope it's nothing. Jama is peace. Jamala is peace only. Jamala. It's only peace. Peace. Don't worry, it's fine. Jamala. Jama, peace. Jama rek. Peace only. When you tell me, Ami, jamangam. How are you? It's jamangam. Jama nga am. Nga am. Jama nga am. Jamangam. And then I said, Jama rek. Jama rek. Only peace. Everything is fine. Alhamdulillah. Jama rek. Yeah? Or I might be like, do jama kai. Do jama is no peace. I hope not. I hope nobody will say that to you. That means they're going through something really bad or something horrible really happened. Our Gambia and Senegal people will rarely tell you this though. We are very good with saying jamarek. 99.9% of the chance when you tell the person jamangam, they will tell you jamarek even if they're about to they'll tell you jàmm rek. Even if somebody just passed or something, but depending on the relationship with the person. But sometimes you might come across somebody and they tell you, do jàmm, and then that means it's no peace. And then you tell them, look how, what happened? Don't do that. Just tell me like, oh, look how, look how, mbaa jàmm la, I hope it's peace only. And then they'll be like, oh, blah, blah, and tell you what happened. But don't worry about them, what they're going to tell you right now, okay? Let's just focus on this until you learn how to speak Wolof. Because right now, if I have to go on all the things that might go wrong, oh my God, I'll never even go through them because I'm not that person right now. But okay. Thank you so much for the like and see you guys. So let's focus again, continue the conversation. So you tell the person, lu xew, mbaa jàmm la, lu xew, what happened, or mbaa jàmm la, I hope peace only, or okay, waa baax na. Yes, no problem. Depending on what, you can tell them even more than that, but more different option for you to respond and for them to respond. But let's just keep it right there now. I don't want to confuse you, give you too much information. You know all of that after you know more Wolof. Okay. And then you can maybe schedule time, okay, or time and date. You can tell them, or they might tell you, if they don't want to tell you, dama bëgg ñu waxtaan, I want us to talk. You have to tell them when and how, depending if the person is talking to you on the phone or physical, depending if the person is your boss at work, your mom, your friend, your husband, your whatever. So you might tell them, kañ. Kañ is when. Ka, añ. Kañ. And then you have añ. Añ is lunch. Lunch is añ. Lekka is it. Añ is lunch. Añ dem also is let's go. Añ dem. Let's go. Ñu dem. Let's go. Ñu dem. Añ dem. My local Gambian Wolof is nañ dem. Nañ dem. I'm known for talking like 100 years old. Nañ dem. But the Gambian fancy Wolof is ñu dem. Añ dem. Senegal Wolof also is ñu dem. Or nañu dem. Something like this, yeah? Nañu dem, ñu dem. Senegal will understand you perfectly. Fancy Gambian Wolof, añ dem, janga añ dem, ñi dañ soof, janga añ dem, yow yaay seetaan ami Wolof tuuy bubu noonu. You tell them. Subhanallah, I forgot the children are watching me. Oh no, don't ever do that. Back to the lesson again. So, you tell the person, kañ, when, kañ la ñoo wax. When are we gonna talk? Or just say, kañ, dama bëgg ñu waxtaan. I want us to talk. You said, baax na, kañ, or wow, kañ. This is just a quick way of saying it, kañ. But you're just saying, yes, when. Okay, no problem. When. Okay, no problem is baax na. Baax na. Okay, no problem. When. Okay, no problem. Kañ. Waaw baax na, kañ. Waaw baax na, kañ. Waaw baax na, kañ. Waaw baax na, kañ. Okay, no problem. When? If you want to be more fancy and professional and don't seem like you depending on the person, they might know you don't understand Wolof. Or if you're a Wolof person or someone that understands Wolof, or the person is miserable or just not happy with the situation, you tell them, waaw baax na kañ. They might be like, depending what happened. Because you're just telling them, okay, no problem. When? Instead of telling them, okay, no problem. When are we gonna talk? You see what I mean? Or like, when are we having the discussion? You see how that is more professional and peaceful and respectful? You see? But that is longer though, but I'll explain it to you. Keep tapping and sharing, guys. Ba jamungam. Ba jamungam. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you, Jamare. So this person is writing in Senegal Wolof. I have two people that follow me, which is the Gambians and the Senegalese. The Senegal Wolof, they speak different Wolof because Senegal, they have French in their official professional language or whatever you call it. When they go to school, they learn French. So the French, is in their Wolof or something like this. Me, in Gambia, people have English, but I never been to school growing up though. So when I'm writing my own Wolof, I write it my own way, just for you to know that. But it might look or sound like the way Gambians write their Wolof, because I still mix it with, I still do it my own English way, my own Wolof way, you know what I mean? But doesn't matter, as long as the person know what you're saying, that's what matter. Yeah. Okay, keep tapping and sharing. Thank you so much. So this person is telling me this person is telling me Jamungam. So he's spelling the Jamungam. Sorry, Mba Jamungam. So he's spelling the Mba Jamungam. Oh my god, my voice. It's because I was sleeping from 6 o'clock until not long ago, because last night I didn't have a lot of sleep. So the Mba Jamungam, he spelled it B-A-D-I-M. Sorry, B-A Mba Jamungam. So he spelled it B-A-D-I-A-M. That's how Senegal people say Mba Jam. Mba Jam is I hope peace only. I hope peace. I hope peace. Like I hope you're having peace only. But this is just the beginning of the word, by the way, of the sentence. So the ngam is G. He wrote the ngam. He wrote the ngam M-G-A-A-M. Okay? So he said B-A-D-I-A-M-G-A-A-M. Majamungam. Okay? And I was not going to spell my Majamungam like this. Okay? But he's speaking Senegal, Majamungam, Senegal Wolof. Just so you know, Senegal Wolof, the way they write it is different. But if you learn my Wolof, you'll be able to talk to Senegalese person, Gambian person, they will know what you're talking about. But you're learning Gambian Wolof. But the Senegal person will understand you. Okay, keep going. Thank you so much. So back to the person, you telling them, when are we going to talk? So the person, you tell them, kañ la ñooy wax. Kañ la ñooy wax. When are we going to talk? This is the fancy Gambian Wolof. Kañ la ñooy wax. If it's my local Wolof, kañ la ñuy wax. Kañ la ñi. Kañ la ñuy wax. Kañ la ñuy wax. Waaw baax na. Kañ la ñuy wax. Gambian Wolof. Waaw baax na. Kañ la ñoo wax. Kañ la ñoo. Kañ. Kañ la ñoo. Kañ la ñoo. Kañ la ñoo. K-A K-A-I K-A-I-Y or K-A-Y-I or K-A-Y Kai La. That's Kyla. It's Kain. Not Kaida. So I'm trying to see how we're going to spell it. Kain. Ka-ain. Like Kain. Like Ain. Ain is food. Lunch. Lunch is Ain. Ain them. Let's go. Ain them. Janga Ain them. Boy, Ain them, boy. Let's go. Or you tell your children, Ain len them. Ain len them is let us go. If it's like group of people. If it's like you and one person, you say Ain them. If it's more than one person that have to go with you, you say Ain len them. Ain len them. Let's us go. But Ain. Kañ la. Kañ la. Kañ la ñoo wax. K-A-Y. Sorry, K-A-I. Kai. Kañ. Oh my God. I think it's K-A-I-N. Anyone think of how to spell it? The worst Wolof teacher in the world. Certain word is so hard to translate it. But I'm just making so you know the word and you can try to write it your own way. As long as it sounds like ka-ain. Ka-ain. Ka-a-ain. Kain. 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 Just say the word kain. Kain. Ka-ain. Kain. Kain la. You know la. Ñooy. dem. Kañ la ñooy dem. Sénégal person may say kañ la ñuy dem. Kañ la ñuy dem. Gambians kañ la ñooy dem. My Gambian local Wolof kañ la ñuy dem. But right now focus on the fancy Wolof. Kañ la ñooy dem. Kañ la ñooy dem. Is anyone getting me? Please tap and share the video if you are getting me. Thank you for joining the live video. Thank you for following the page. This page is for current affairs, comedy, activism for childhood trauma free, and English and Wolof lesson, and so on. Yeah, but those are the main things that I do here right now. Thank you so much. My name is Ami Job. I am from Gambia, but I'm talking to you from Scotland. So this is free Wolof lesson that is meant to be for 1 hour, which is going to finish soon. If you want to book your lesson with me, my email address is my username here on TikTok, amijob1980@gmail.com. If you're watching me from YouTube, the username again on YouTube, amijob1980@gmail.com. Message me for your lessons, or you can message me on TikTok here. I open my messages for the public. You can message me also. You can book a lesson with me, £25 a month, once a week. The way I teach you one-to-one is different from the way I teach you in the videos. Because this is just free. One-to-one. You can have one-to-one, or you can have group lesson. Like you can come with somebody else, or you can let me choose somebody else that might have the same time with you. It can be more fun if it's like that, depending for the person, if you want that, or you want you alone. It's up to you. But if you're coming more than one person, I can give you a discount. You don't have to pay the whole £25, unless if you want, because that's cheap enough. And if it's children, I can also give you lessons, especially when it's more than one person. Also, when you come, you can choose what kind of conversation you want to focus on. You want to focus on, like, you're talking to your mom, or you're talking to your husband, or you're talking to your in-law, or you're talking to your wife, or you just want to learn in general. You see the different option? Because then I can know where to channel my lesson with you. So I will know how to make sure that after a couple of lessons, even after the first lesson, you're going to begin talking to this particular person, if it's a particular person or group of people that you want to learn the lesson for. But if you want to learn it just in general to be able to understand Wolof, that's a different story. So you will have those options when you come to me to learn Wolof or Mandinka. I teach Wolof and Mandinka. Yeah? Talk about it with anyone you know that might be interested. I would really appreciate that. And I am sure the person would appreciate that, because I am fun, funny, energetic, and I love teaching. Because I'm a comedian, activist, and a motivational speaker. You can't go wrong learning with me. I'm the best language teacher in the world. I'm telling you this. Never mind the fact that I grew up never been to school, sorry, can't even say the word correctly. My English are rubbish myself, due to me not going to school growing up, but I've learned over the last couple of years. I've been to school, college and stuff. And I'm back to college now, 2 days a week. But still, I am the most fun, good language teacher in the world. Because the fact that I have this history and who I am saved me to be more fun and understanding. And the fact that when teaching you. And the fact that I grew up, never been to school. So I know how it feels as an adult to learn a fresh language. The people that are teaching you, and they're professional because they've been to school growing up, they don't know this thing I'm telling you. Because they never know how it feels for you to grow up not knowing anything about the language. A lot of them don't know that. They just don't know how to grow up without learning something. And then now you just fresh, even if they're learning English, they're already used to learning. If you know what I mean. It's different from me that I know how to teach you because I grew up never learning anything. I started learning when I was over 20 years old. Yeah? But thank you so much. Keep tapping and sharing. Okay, let's continue. But I'm going to end the live soon. It's over 1 hour now. I am so. And I have to finish my attire. If you're from Gambia and Senegal, you might know attire. This is attire. And we do attire a lot. But yeah. So I'm going to close that lesson now by saying, do dara. du dara is nothing. Or garawul is not serious. Du dara garawul. It's nothing serious. Du dara is nothing. Garawul is not very bad or it's not very serious. Garawul or garawut. For us we say garawut. Gambia, Senegal, garawul. Senegal, garawul. Gambia, fancy Gambia, Wolof. No, garawut. Garawul, Senegal. My Gambian Wolof, my local Wolof. Garawut. But the Gambian person might tell you, no, garawut. No, it's nothing serious. Sometimes they use English even. If it's a educated Gambian person, some of them use English a lot in their words. Like they can't say one sentence without English, rarely ever. So they might say, no, garawut. No, garawut. No, it's not important. It's not serious. Hopefully that's what they're going to tell you. Hopefully it's not something serious. And then you say, okay, Bana. Because then you already tell them, kañ la ñoo wax? When are we going to talk? Kañ la ñoo wax? They tell you, dama bugga ñu wax. I want us to talk. You tell them, wow, Bana. Yes. Okay, no problem. All good. Wow, Bana. Listen to this. I'm going to close the topic now. So I'm going to give you all the different options for answer and all the different options for what they might say. Yeah? And I'm going to close it now. So, dama bugga ñu wax. I want us to talk. Dama bugga ñu wax. I want us to talk. Da ma bu ga new, like the word new, something new. Wax is talk. Dama buga, I want. New, us. Wax, talk. Waxtaan, have a discussion. You can say dama buga ñu wax without the taan. That's the same. It means I want us to talk. Just a quick version. Dama buga ñu waxtaan. I want us to have a discussion. And hopefully you're not going to be seeking, because hopefully this person is not your boss at work, your angry husband, angry parent, angry wife, angry, whoever, just some miserable person, or just somebody that you respect and don't want to mess up your relationship with them, or don't want to do anything wrong, that they have to work with you. I hope that's not going to be the case. But if they tell you, dama buga ñu wax, listen to their voice. If they're talking with anger or pain or just worried and fear, or they're just talking casually, normal. Now listen to this next. That's not going to save you, even if they're calm. Some people are very extremely calm when they're about to ruin you. They might want to talk, but what are they going to talk about? That's another story. So don't listen to how they're talking. Hello, dama buga ñu wax. And you see someone like me going, you're like, oh. The person that might be talking, they might be the one that is about to ruin you. So listen. Doesn't matter how they're saying it. Dama buga ñu wax. Still, get ready for what they're gonna wax. Know how to say yes and no. Understand those two words, yes and no. Yeah? Understand what they're gonna tell you, how to say yes and no. You guys are not tapping enough. That's why the TikTok is asking me to verify the page, the live video, because you guys are not tapping enough. It's only one single say and you guys not tapping enough. That's why. But I'm gonna end the live soon. So remember, when they tell you dama buga ñu wax, or you tell them dama buga ñu wax, or ñu wax, dama buga ñu wax, dama buga ñu waxtaan is the correct way. I want us to have a discussion. Ñu wax, let's talk. Dama buga ñu wax, I want us to talk. Dama buga ñu waxtaan, I want us to have a discussion. You see the difference? Okay. Now, the person might tell you, wow, bana, okay, bana. Or they might be like, lu xew, lu ma def. Or they might be like, mbaa defuma dara. I hope I've not done anything. Mbaa defuma fu ma dara. Mba is I hope. Def is do. Dara is nothing. Mu defuma me I've not. I hope me I've not done. Mba defuma I hope me I've not done. Dara nothing. Mba defuma I hope me I've not done. Nothing. The mba is MBA. Mba I hope me. Mba is I hope. Defuma me I've not done. Def is do. Ma the defuma is I've not done. Okay, the de fu fu the ma all together, the de fu ma took all together, defuma I've not done. Defuma. The mba I hope, the defuma I've not done. Dara nothing. Dara just the word da and then ra. Mba defuma dara I hope I've not done anything. And the person might tell you, yes, you've done something. I hope not. They might tell you, do dara. It's nothing. Or they might tell you, ahamulo lodef. Lot of Wolof talk like that. Because they might think you know exactly what you done and you're lying or just you're scared. That's why you're like, because some of our people are very good at that. When they know exactly what they done. And they're like, huh? What happened? I can't see the light. I'm blind. Why are you talking about the light? Where it is? Not all of us, but some of us are good at this. So they might be like, I hope this, I've not done anything. And they know exactly what they've done. I'm telling you this. So then that's why we're used to that. So when you're telling us we think automatically that you know what you did. Depend what is it. Sometimes we think you know it. If we think that it's something that you might have known. So then we might say, yange doflu. You're acting crazy. Doflu. Dof is crazy. Doflu is acting crazy. Yange doflu. Okay, you're acting crazy. You know. I hope you're not going to be in that type of a mess. Okay, you're acting crazy. You know. Yange doflu. Wa bana. Dinañ wax. Okay, no problem. We will talk. And the person might cut the phone, you know, depending who the person is and the situation, like I said. But they might also be like, hamulolo hell. So you don't know what happened. Okay. Dinañ wax. Or they might be like, oh. Or they might be like, yaa gina xam lu xew. You know exactly what happened. Xam nga lu xew. You know what happened. Xam nga is you know. Lu xew is what happened. Lu xew. Lu xew. Luheew. Xew. Lu xew. Xam nga lu xew. Or yaa gina xam. Yaa gina xam is you know very well. Yaa, just Y-A, yaa is mom by the way. Yaa, Y-A. Xam. Xam. H-A-M. Xam. Lu. And then xew. Yaa gina xam lu xew. This is the proper Gambian Wolof. Yaa gina xam lu xew. You know exactly what happened. And now the person might still know what happened. And might still be going, I don't know what you're talking about. I hope that's not the person. I hope that's not you or the person you're talking to. And I hope that's not the situation. The person might also not know. And the other person might think they know. Like I said, depending on the situation and what happened and who you're talking to and everything. You know what I mean? But the person might say, yaa gina xam lu xew. You know exactly what's happening. Or, xam loolu xew. You know, any of this. Or just, don't worry. Garawut. Garawut is don't worry. Because garawut is not a big deal. Garawut. Garawut. Garawut is not a big deal. Du dara is nothing. Dulu garaw. It's nothing garaw. It's nothing big deal. It's nothing serious. Bul jahle. Don't worry. Or they might tell you, don't worry. They might use the word, don't worry. A lot of Gambians use the word, you know, the English word. Thank you so much for sharing the video. But I'm going to end the video soon, guys. It's over 1 hour now. So I can tell the time. But yeah. So hopefully that's the type of discussion that you're going to have with the person that is going to be the garawut, the not, don't worry. don't worry, it's not a big deal. But even if it's a big deal, don't worry. Depending how you're handling the big deal. Every big deal can be a small garawut if you handle it properly. So please, this lesson or not, every big deal in life, learn how to handle it in a garawut positive way. I advise you that. Thank you so much for listening to this lesson. Like I said, if you want to learn Mandinka, Wolof, or even English, and please don't laugh, because I do teach English to people from Gambia and Senegal, especially when they're Senegalese and they cannot speak any English, but they can speak Wolof. Or they can speak Mandinka if they're Senegalese or Gambian. They can speak Mandinka and Wolof, or one of this language, but they can't speak English. Those are the people that I can teach. Because I understand Mandinka and Wolof, then it's easy for me to translate that into English, like I'm doing now. You see what I mean? I also do those kind of lessons that I'm going to focus on them, but I hardly do it. Because I want to focus more on people that want to learn my language. I want to sell my language. I want the world to know my language. I love it, which is the Wolof and the Mandinka language from Gambia. I love it. That's why I teach it more. But I do give free English lesson to my people. When I'm giving English lesson, people laughing at me like, you can't speak English. I can speak a little bit. At least you're knowing what I'm saying now, yeah? Exactly. They're funny and fun. Some of us can't even say this though. So then I can teach them. So if you know anybody want to learn English, Mandinka, Wolof, £25 a month once a week, let them email me. Job 1980@gmail.com. That's AMIEJOBE 1980@gmail.com. Again, AMIEJOBE 1980@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys again for another language lesson. The next one is going to be a Mandinka one. Mandinka. Yeah? This one is Wolof. Next lesson is Mandinka. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you guys again soon. Bye. Thank you.